Epsom salt, a remarkable natural blend of sulfates and magnesium, has been celebrated for centuries, not just for its health benefits but for a whole lot more. It's affordable, readily available, and so versatile that you'll be patting yourself on the back for discovering its myriad uses. Plus, stocking up on Epsom salt means you'll always have this multi-purpose gem at your fingertips. From giving a sparkle to your home to enhancing your beauty regime and offering natural remedies, let's dive into the incredible ways Epsom salt can enrich your life. Laundry Day Lifesaver – soften clothes naturally. Looking for a way to make your clothes as soft as a cloud? Epsom salt is your laundry room's new best friend. It softens water and lifts away dirt and stains, making your fabrics feel new again. Create a wallet-friendly fabric softener by mixing 2 cups of Epsom salt with a half cup of baking soda. Enhance it with 20 to 30 drops of your favorite essential oils like lavender or citrus for that fresh, clean scent. Just a 1/4 cup per load works wonders. Blackhead Buster. Clear skin made simple. Tackling blackheads can feel like an endless battle, but before you rush to the store or dermatologist, reach for Epsom salt. Just mix 1 teaspoon of Epsom salt, 3 drops of liquid iodine, and a half cup of hot water. Once it's comfortably warm, apply the solution with a cotton ball or pad. Let it dry for a few minutes and then rinse off. Regular use could help clear up those pesky blackheads for good. Luscious Locks. Epsom salt for hair clarification. Is product buildup dulling your hair's natural shine? Epsom salt is fantastic for cutting through that residue, leaving your hair feeling refreshed and revitalized. Here's a pro tip. Mix equal parts Epsom salt with your regular shampoo during your next wash. It'll help remove excess oil and product buildup, giving your hair that lightweight, bouncy feel. Splinter solution, the gentle way out. Splinters can be a real pain, both literally and figuratively. Before you start a surgical operation with tweezers, try a gentler approach. Dissolve 2 tablespoons of Epsom salt in a cup of warm water and soak the affected area for about 15 minutes. This method not only eases the splinter out but also reduces any swelling, making removal a breeze. Feet first, the ultimate Epsom salt foot bath. Epsom salt is a foot's best friend, offering relief and rejuvenation for various foot woes. Mix warm water with half a cup of Epsom salt in a basin and let your feet indulge in a relaxing soak. From easing muscle tension and aches to banishing odors and softening tough skin, this soak is a cure-all. It's also a trusty ally against fungal foes like athlete's foot. Glowing skin, natural Epsom salt exfoliation. Beyond foot soaks, Epsom salt shines as a natural exfoliant, perfect for slowing away dry skin. Whip up a simple scrub by mixing half a cup of Epsom salt with a 1/4 cup of olive oil. Gently massage your body with this blend to shed dead skin cells, leaving your skin feeling rejuvenated and silky smooth. Digestive Detox, Epsom salt to the rescue. Struggling with constipation? Epsom salt might just be the relief you're searching for. Its natural laxative properties can help soften stool and promote regularity. A teaspoon of Epsom salt dissolved in warm water is all it takes to get your digestive tract moving again. Hemorrhoid relief, a soothing soak. Dealing with hemorrhoids can be incredibly uncomfortable, but before you reach for creams and ointments, consider the soothing power of an Epsom salt bath. Dissolve a cup of Epsom salt in a warm bath and soak for 20 minutes to ease the pain and irritation. For a more focused treatment, a sitz bath with a 1/4 cup of Epsom salt and warm water offers targeted relief. First Aid Magic, the Epsom salt compress. For immediate relief from sore muscles, sprains, or even headaches, an Epsom salt compress is your go-to solution. Simply dissolve 2 cups of Epsom salt in hot water, soak a towel, and apply it to the affected area. This quick and easy remedy is perfect for reducing discomfort and accelerating recovery. Sparkly clean tiles, Epsom salt's cleaning prowess. Say goodbye to stubborn stains and hello to sparkling tiles with Epsom salt. Combine it with dish soap to create a powerful cleaning paste that tackles grime without leaving residue. Apply with a scrub brush, let it sit, then rinse to reveal remarkably clean surfaces. This budget-friendly, easy-to-make solution is perfect for rejuvenating your tiled areas. Epsom salt's versatility knows no bounds, from skincare and health remedies to household cleaning and even garden care. Keeping a large jar on hand ensures you're always prepared for life's little challenges. And if you're curious about how Epsom salt can benefit your garden, be sure to check out our dedicated video. The link is waiting for you in the description box below. If you found these videos helpful, please show your support with a like and share these videos with your friends. Your engagement helps us keep bringing valuable content your way. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest videos. Here's to embracing the wonders of Epsom salt in every aspect of life. Thanks for tuning in. Please be wise, be well, and take care.